ASUS router QoS settings not working. Manual configuration. Step 1. Access the ASUS router settings. Open a web browser on your device and type http routerasus.com on your router's IP address. Log in with your admin username and password. This gives you access to your router's control panel. Step 2. Go to the WAN section. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and select WAN or Advanced Settings. This area controls your network's main internet connection and routing functions. Step 3. Locate the QoS section. Find and click on QoS or Quality of Service under the Traffic Management or Bandwidth Control menu. This feature allows you to prioritize specific types of network traffic for better performance. Step 4. Enable QoS. Switch the QoS toggle to the on position. You may also choose the QoS type such as adaptive, traditional, or bandwidth limiter, depending on your model and needs. Step 5. Save and apply the settings. After making adjustments, click Apply or Save to confirm the changes. Wait for your router to reboot or refresh and test your internet to ensure QoS is now working properly.